How to fix oops something went wrong error on X account. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection, will it is stable or not. For that, you can run any other app that runs on internet other than the X app. If app doesn't work, that might be the issue in your internet connection. So what you have to do is give a fresh restart to your router. Likewise, launch your settings. Click on the option of Wi-Fi. Now click on the Wi-Fi that you are connected to. Forget the password and rejoin it. Likewise, another thing you want to do is switch your network. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data, and in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. Likewise, heading towards next solution, you have to update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now search for the app X. Once app appears, at the right corner of the app, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once you do that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards last solution, launch your preferred browser. Now type in x.com. Now you can type in your X account's credentials and log into your account. If your X account works in the web version, and it doesn't work in the app version, you can completely delete this app and reinstall it. For that, long press on your X app, click on Remove App, click on Delete App, click on Delete. Once you delete this app, launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app and install it. By applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix oops something went wrong error on X account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.